The driver paid the car park attendant. The customer paid the bill to the waitress. The couple paid the waitress for their coffees. The man paid the waitress with his credit card. The man paid the shopkeeper with cash. The woman paid for the meal before she left the restaurant. The boy paid the bus driver for his bus ticket when he got on the bus. The woman paid the chemist for her medication. I paid for the hotel room with my credit card. The customer paid the cashier in the supermarket. I paid the parking meter to park my car. I paid the optician for my new pair of glasses. I paid for my shopping at the checkout. I paid for the product with my smartwatch. I paid for the cinema tickets with my smartphone. The customer paid the shop assistant for her clothes. I paid for the petrol with my mobile phone. The man paid off his online debts. The man paid the doctor for his medical treatment. The man in the car paid the toll charge to cross the bridge. The man paid for his shopping online with his flexible friend. The woman paid for the fast food at the self-service terminal. The woman paid for the food shopping at the self-service checkout. I paid my electricity bill last month. I paid the landlord the rent this month. I paid £400 to buy a new television. I paid my friend back the money that I owed him. The company paid my wages every month into my account. I paid over £2,000 for a ticket to watch the Champions League final. I paid the price for cheating on my wife. The woman paid for the bread with a £10 note.